Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my Ngrx post. Myself Ajay. Hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working demo, I'm going to show you Angular 14 Ngrx counter working example. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please pause the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Angular updates. So guys, here we go. So first, see Angular 14 is working fine with Ngrx counter working demo. I will show you first increment, decrement and recent counter. First, I will show you working demo and after it, I will show you code. See guys, increment is working fine and decrement also with NGRX. Reset to 0. Reset to 0. See guys, all three functions are working fine. And guys, now I'll show you working code. First, I have add NGRX store inside my Angular 14 application. And after it, I make some files like counter.action.ts file. Inside it, I make the actions like increment, decrement, and reset actions. And after it, counter reducers.ts file that functions to handle the state transition like state is equal to increment, decrement, or reset. First, if state is equal to reset, then is equal to 0. Decrement minus 1, state minus 1. Increment state plus 1. And before state is equal to 0. And here is my counter HTML file. Very simple. Three functions, three click functions: increment, decrement, and reset. And here I am calling the functions like this to store, dispatch, increment method, dispatch, decrement, and dispatch reset. And that will hit here plus minus and reset. So guys, very simple. And GRX Angular 14 is working fine. And guys, after it, I will come with add to cart section with Ngrx for e-commerce site like add to cart product, delete product, and update product with Ngrx. So guys, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion, or requirement, then please comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. I will share all the details in this video description. Friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.